Welcome, 8th graders. I hope that you guys are enjoying Stargirl. Again, one of my favorite young adult novels. It's just such a good one. Anyway, there are a couple things that I want to make sure I clarify about. So if you're reading on the PDF here, one thing you'll notice is that it's a PDF, so not everything copied over perfectly. One thing is Senor Saguaro. I had hoped to have a place queued up, but Senor is like really funky looking, and then you see Saguaro. It's because the enye over the N did not copy over, well, and so you just can't really see it very well. So it looks like gibberish, actually. That's what you're seeing when you see that. And then the other thing is at the end of chapter 14, you're going to be reading this paragraph here, and it's going to say, and as third graders and high schoolers often do, the sender had signed it in code. And then it doesn't tell you what the code is. It is a picture of a girl and a star. So you can take a wild guess at who that is. One really important thing to note about this week, we're going to continue reading, obviously. The way that you access your materials is to come over here to fall semester, unit 2, session 2, because that's where we're at. So we've got activities today, or this week, to go through. I really highly suggest watching this cute video. It's super cute. It's from the movie. We are reading pages 28 through 53 on the PDF. Of course, if you have a hard copy, the pages are different, but what is important to know is that you'll read chapters 9 through 15 this week. So the important thing that you need to know this week, though, is that on Thursday, October 1st, you will see this assignment pop up here. 2.2.4 Stargirl character questions. You must complete this on Thursday, October 1st. It's only 10 questions. It won't take you very long. It's just asking you about things that have happened in this section of chapters. Please, please, please do it on this day. It's really important for attendance. It's really important to know who exactly goes to our school. You got an email from Mr. Homan last week talking about October count. This is part of it right here. So please make sure you do this. If I haven't received it from you by like 3 o'clock on Thursday, October 1st, I'm going to be bothering you to do it. So you can also see all of your questions, all your answers to your questions. You can see all of the answers to the questions. That way, if you do get anything wrong, you know what you did wrong. Obviously, you have to be read through the chapter 15 in order to do this. So make sure you read through chapter 15 by Thursday, October 1st. You must complete this assignment on that day. If it's not turned in by 3 o'clock, you will be getting a phone call from me. Just do it. That's really all you need to know for this week. If there are any weird things in the PDF that I haven't seen, please let me know. If you have questions, if there's anything you're confused about, please let me know. I just hope you guys are loving this book, and I hope you have a great week.